Hi everyone, it's Lauren. As I promised, I made some hard-boiled eggs for Easter and used natural dyes, and I am sharing it with you. The process was very easy and it's very inexpensive, and the really only thing that took a little time was boiling the eggs and maybe boiling the red cabbage. It was very simple, very easy, and I did this with the kids. It was a fun thing to do. The only thing you have to worry is to make sure that the eggs are after you get them out of the water, eggs are cooled off and dry, and then use the dyes. And I used the eggs in different dyes at different time periods. I started with 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and like 40, 45 minutes to give them different variations of blues and greens. And I just love these. I think they look so beautiful, and I'm going to be doing this every Easter, just every spring. I think they're just so pretty. And I'm going to use natural dyes when I'm actually making hard-boiled eggs for salads and just for snacking. I think they look so pretty. And I'm going to include some in the Easter baskets for the kids and in the Easter egg hunt. And I'm going to use a big bowl of it in probably in the middle of the lunch table, just for everyone to see and enjoy and take home. Everyone is going to go home with some of these eggs. I have plenty, and I'm going to make more. So give it a try. It is an easy process, very inexpensive. You need turmeric, you need shredded red cabbage, red onions, and beet juice. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you try this, and I know you are going to really enjoy it. It'll just look so beautiful. If you have subscribed, thank you. And if you haven't, please give us a try. Just go down the list and look at our all of our other videos. I know you will enjoy them. Thank you again, and have a wonderful Easter. See you soon. All right, I went grocery shopping. I needed some beets and some turmeric and red cabbage. I looked at the beets, and then I remembered I can use actual canned beets and just use the juice. So I did that. I picked up some cans, and I didn't have cabbage, so I picked up a red cabbage. And I started boiling the eggs in 2 different batches. It comes to the boil, and you turn off the burner and let it sit with the lid on. And in the beet, I add, in every juice really, I add a tablespoon of vinegar. In order to get all the color and the juice from the cabbage, I started shredding it, and then I said, you know, I can just cut it very, very thin slices. So I started doing that and put it in a pot with half a cup of water. It all depends on how much cabbage you're shredding, and let it boil. After you get the cabbage off the burner, if it boils, you turn it off, you add a tablespoon of vinegar. And with turmeric, I used 2 tablespoons with a cup of water, warm water, stirred it, and then added a tablespoon of vinegar and let it sit. You always use the hard skin. You don't have to peel the onion, just start peeling off the dry skin of the onion and leave it in a saucepan with a cup of water. Let it come to boil. With the onions, you immediately see the water turn into this really deep cherry color, red. So I just let it boil for a little while and then turn off. And the cabbage, this was the first time I was using cabbage. Look how gorgeous that color is. Now, how is that going to turn the eggs in blue? I have no idea. Isn't that beautiful? As I'm working on the dyes, I have finished boiling the eggs. They're ready. I'm getting them out of the water, putting them on towels, getting them dry. They're pretty hot, so I'm trying to do this very fast. I'm just spreading them around so they can cool off very fast. Okay, I have my eggs. This is red onion. This is the cabbage. I have beet juice. And I have turmeric. All right, I am going to now put the eggs in there and see how long it's going to take them to actually absorb the color. Okay, here's the turmeric. I'm going to just put the eggs right in there. Very slowly. I boil the eggs and I let them cool down, and then I wipe them. Oh, I can get more than 3 in there, no? Well, maybe not. Okay, just 3. Let me make sure. I was looking for dishes that are just tall like a vase, so I can put more eggs in there, but that should be okay. I can go 3 at a time. All right, and this is the beet juice. I can put more than 3 in there, I'm sure. It's a larger container. I have made so many hard-boiled eggs. I think I have 4 dozen. It's gonna be a lot of egg salad. Okay. All right, and this is the one that I'm really, really excited about. This is the cabbage. I love to see how that's gonna come out. It's so beautiful. Such a gorgeous color. Onion, I have a very good feeling I'm going to get these gorgeous, gorgeous red eggs, because I have done red onion before. And I know the color is going to be just gorgeous. And there is the red onion. Okay. And I have a dish here with a napkin on it to grab all the extra water. Okay. All right, I'm gonna leave them in here for maybe about 10-15 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and check on them. All right, it's almost 15 minutes. I'm gonna see how they look like. This is turmeric. Oh, they're pretty. Very, very light yellow. Very light. So I'll probably need to leave them in there for, I don't know, I think at least an hour. It's beautiful. Okay, that's turmeric. This is beet. Oh, they're beautiful. How did they have, okay. It's not, I was wondering why they're spotty. They're not. It's beautiful. That's beet. Okay. And this is the one I can't wait to see. This is red cabbage. It's supposed to be blue. Oh my gosh. I want to get one from the very bottom. There. Oh, it's a very, very soft blue. It is beautiful. Yeah, I think at least an hour. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy. They're so gorgeous. All right, and onion. It is going to be red. There. I think these are beautiful. So I will include a video of all of them after an hour. I'm going to put these back to show you how beautiful and really true to the color they are when they sit for more than 15 minutes. Okay, I couldn't wait any longer. It's been 45 minutes and I'm going to take the eggs out. First, the ones in turmeric. Let's see how yellow they are. I really packed them in there. I want to get one from the very bottom. Come on. There. Yeah, it is darker. Oh, it's beautiful. So this is after 45 minutes. And it looks beautiful. Okay. And here is the beet juice. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. I just couldn't wait. I wanted to see how they look like. This is beet. And this is going to be beautiful. This is cabbage that makes blue eggs. And red onions. Kind of makes a very, very deep, almost brown. Beautiful. I think they're absolutely beautiful. And you know, like I said, you can have a blue egg in turmeric and make green. And I'm going to do that and add it to this video so you can see. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. And all natural. And it didn't take long. I think that the only long part of this project is making the eggs. Making hard-boiled eggs. Just beautiful. And I'm going to show you the eggs that I left in the cabbage. I had shredded cabbage, right? To make I boiled the shredded cabbage to get this. So here's an egg sitting in the shredded cabbage. And I think it looks beautiful. I like that too. All these gorgeous eggs. Okay, I'm going to put a yellow egg in the cabbage juice to get green. See how that will look like. Okay, and here's my yellow egg, my turmeric egg in cabbage juice. Kind of greenish. Probably needs to stay there longer. Okay, here's a blue one that I left for almost an hour. And it has this beautiful, beautiful deep blue color now. So you can leave the eggs in the dyes for different time periods and you can get different shades. I think that's very pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna put all the eggs in one platter so you can see how beautiful they all look. Look at these eggs. They are gorgeous. Look at these beautiful colors. And just put them back in the different dyes and let them sit at different time intervals. And look how beautiful they are. Different shades of yellows, blues, deep reds. I just love them. I think this is a great project for the entire family. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.